The glistening rays of the morning sun peeks through the canopy of coconut palms bordering the shores of the serene backwaters of Allapura in Kerala, India. These floating luxury crafts start cruising along the vast expanse of the backwaters since early morning. It's another picture-perfect spectacle of the mystique charms of nature. From the deck of the floating abode, buy fresh catch from country fishing crafts on prowl in the backwaters since morning. Just stroll on the well-designed interiors and aisles of the floating castles, marveling at the best of heritage architecture. Then be back on the starboard to enjoy the panoramic view of the virgin charms of the palm-fringed shores and lush green paddy fields. Watch the coconut tops swaying in the breeze, springing from across the serpentine backwater stretches. Feast your eyes on the blooming flowers, trees and village life on the banks. In the dining chamber on board, a sumptuous lunch with steaming seafood cooked with exotic spices and sauces. It's a photographer's delight all around, with floating flock of ducks and coastal village life at close quarters. Afar, the smiling paddy fields and dancing coconut palms. The cruise seems to last forever, with crimson skyline at an infinite distance, changing its attires to different colors. The evening sun is now busy painting the skyline with an assortment of mesmerizing colors. The clouds are now retiring into their sleeping chambers. The sun too retreats after costuming the horizon.